This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending June 6, 2026. The market finished down this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 1.35% on Friday and was down minus 0.32% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 2.64% on Friday and was down minus 2.59% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 4.18% on Friday and was down minus 4.68% for the week. The market dumping was terrible, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin crashed minus 17.64% this week, which was devastating to many, but not to me, because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate cash flow or income from Bitcoin every week by selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Core Scientific Incorporated, ticker symbol CORZ in the first column. It was down minus 7.38% on Friday and decreased minus 3.72% for the week. Core Scientific is in the software infrastructure industry. The company provides infrastructure for high density co-location services and digital asset mining in the United States. It operates in three business segments, which are co-location, digital asset self-mining, and digital asset hosted mining. Core Scientific offers space, power, cooling, facilities operations, security, and other services to third-party customers to support workloads for machine learning and artificial intelligence, deployment, monitoring, troubleshooting, optimization, and maintenance of its customers' digital asset mining equipment and electrical power, repair, and other infrastructure services for its customers. The company also deploys and operates its fleet of miners within its digital infrastructure as part of a pool of users that process transactions conducted on one or more blockchain networks. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 11 different option contracts that range from $66.34 to $120.34. I received a total of $1,076.74 for the 11 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Warning: option prices change quickly and dramatically. Do not copy my trades. You will not get the same prices that I got for these options. Maybe not even close. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount increased slightly from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value decreased minus 11.58%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Once you have a firm understanding on how to use options with Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs, this system becomes so easy that you will wonder why isn't everybody doing it? Again, knowledge. They simply lack knowledge. What about you? How much cash flow did you generate this week? If your answer is zero or you spent more money than you made, then you need help. And I would like to help you and others, but I can't. Why? Because you refuse to listen, you refuse to read, and you refuse to learn about anything that wasn't taught to you in school. And do you know what they don't teach you in school? Money, and it's on purpose. You need to learn about money and the financial system and then use that knowledge to your advantage. That means learn how to extract money from the financial system. It does not mean working 2 or 3 jobs, and it does not mean side hustling. It means use money to make money from the financial system. That is what my Bitcoin cash flow system does. So, check back next week to see how much money my money makes. Later.